Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AKER. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this one on a very pretty routine basis. I did it yesterday, but now definitely some updates here need to be made as the chart has broken down to the downside of this overall channel that we've been talking about. That the key level being right here at 60 cents, and you can see the price has now broken down below it. So before anything else, I'm just going to go ahead and do a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So, just try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update, though, that does need to be made comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if this upwards move is going to continue, there's kind of a couple areas it's got to get back up above this pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average. But then right after that, not too far away, is that all important 60-cent level that I've talked about in numerous videos in the past. So that'll be the shorter term area of resistance. So it's kind of a little miniature double whammy. You have the 200 period the price needs to break above, and then you have that 60-cent level. But those are definitely going to be the key levels of resistance going forward. Now, what about levels of support? If this movement continues down, where are some other potential areas where the price could stabilize out? The next key area would be down at the bottom of this consolidation period that happened, when was that? Back on February 26th right here. And that's putting the price right down there around the 54 to 55 cent mark. So we'll keep an eye on that. And just in case something crazy happens, we'll map out one more area of support. And that would be down there at the bottom of that consolidation period at 50 cents. So all in all, 54, 55, that near-term level of support. Next one after that at 50. As far as levels of resistance, just in case something crazy happens from the bullish side, if the price can explode above both of these, then the next key overall level to keep an eye on is going to be this purple line up there, which is that 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that. But like I said, one step at a time. That first step is going to be getting back up above the 200 period and then the 60-cent level. So we'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.